Ooh, y'all, it has been a long day. We have moved some soil out of the way so that we could have an area where we are going to set up for our seed starting area. And besides that bed that you saw me digging out, it was just way too big and I was having to step into it. But now we're going to plant some watermelon seeds. We are going to plant some bait alpha cucumber seeds, simply because my other cucumbers are moving very, very slowly. And I'm just mad that I have not been able to find a seeded watermelon wherever I go. I mean, it has been such a battle to find one. Now, these 3 watermelon seeds that I'm going to be planting, they are 85 and 95 days until harvest. And because I'm in Georgia Zone 8A, I will have enough time because, again, guys, we are just coming into June. So we'll have the month of June, the month of July, and the month of August. And so they should be ready to harvest by the end of August. And again, we don't get cool here until around November, December time frame. So in this little area here that I kept hilled up, that is where we're going to plant the bait alpha cucumbers. We're going to water in all of the garden today, guys. And remember, we talk about this all the time on all the different lives that we have on YouTube. We just talked about it with the New Orleans gardener. We talked about it on Wind Down Wednesday. Hands in the Dirt, especially Broke Farmer and So Good Gardener, they talk about it. It's your garden, guys. Do what's best for you. And I learned this from growing out the box as well. Make sure you have a garden plan. As you can see, my garden beds are very, very wide. Your girl is 5'2". And so sometimes I cannot reach all the way across these garden beds. So this area right now, the only reason I'm not splitting this garden bed into 2 long beds is because I'm going to use it right now for my watermelon bed. I did have onions in here. I did get a mediocre onion harvest this year simply because I tried a new onion variety. It did not work out very well, but now mind you, I did get onions. So I have been cooking with the onions that I did get, and then I also have some drying. But right now we are going to plant those 3 different seeds that I just recently showed you. They're going to be planted in this garden bed, and we are going to drop, as Miss Linda would say, we're going to drop at least 2 of each seed. And we're going to see what they do. Today is roughly Wednesday, May the 29th. So we will see what it's looking like in about 5 to 10 days. The area where I planted watermelon at last year, I actually have pumpkin planted there, and it is doing very well. I decided at one point that I was not going to plant watermelon this year, and it was simply because I knew that I was going to be doing some traveling. But once me and my mom was looking for a watermelon and we could not find a seeded watermelon, it got on my nerves. And so I knew that to have what you want sometimes means to grow what you want. So let's get back to the video, guys, and watch me get all this hard work done. I am in the end going to hopefully show you the results of a tray that I painted that I'm actually going to have my seeds started on.